Buenos días, chicos. Vamos a estar aquí en Materials. We're in Materials again today, the Unit 1 folder. Otra vez estamos en Saludos y Despedidas. I've moved everything to the top. So you're recording a Flipgrid, why learn a second language? You need two reasons there. You're doing that in English. This is during the asynchronous time. How would you greet the following people in Spanish? You'll click on that. You'll go to the Google Doc and answer these. Just one page, not very many questions, but at the first part, you'll either write in ¿Cómo está? Or ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás is used to ask how are you when you're speaking to a friend or a sibling, someone younger than you. ¿Cómo está for your teacher, someone you're showing respect to, formal situation. You will submit that once you are finished with that in Schoology. Then you will record a Flipgrid answering questions about yourself in Spanish. So, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo estás? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Some of the questions that we've learned recently. And then you have 3 ed puzzles to do. Don't worry so much about your grade on the ed puzzle. I'm looking that you've done it, that it's completed. So those are the assignments for today. They will be due by next class.